Did you know Nano Banana will be available inside YouTube Create? Get a jump start and level up with our prompt kits now. We have provided 8 free prompts in the description. Now watch how we use them. Get the starter pack and the advanced packs in the description too.
I built these packs different. This isn't random prompts. This is how I create content that actually hits.
I just got the packs. 15 prompts. Get you started. 50 plus prompts, scripts, personas is how you win. The only question is whether you will use the tools or get outpaced by the people who do. The free Creation Starter Pack has enough to generate tons of images. The Advanced Bonus Pack is loaded with enough prompts for hours of content creation.
We have 8 bonus prompts in the description for free. You just paste them into Nano Banana. Watch the examples.
If you haven't heard of Nano Banana yet, it's an AI content system that's simple prompts into high-quality visuals, talking heads, and short-form videos. Basically, it helps creators move faster and look better doing it. And now Nano Banana is being integrated directly into YouTube Create, which means faster content, built-in AI workflows, and way less friction for creators. This is about to change how people make videos.